Hi, welcome back to Math with Mr. DN. In this video, I'll be breaking down mean in the simplest ways possible for both group and ungroup data so that you'll be able to solve any WAEC, JAMB, Polytechnic, University question with confidence. Let's get started. As you know, mean is the average of all set of values, and we'll be starting with ungroup data. Here's our first example. Find the mean of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright, the first thing we do is write down our formula. This is the formula for mean of ungroup data. Sum of all values over number of values. So here it means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 divided by, then you now count the number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. When you add 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, you're going to have 30. So you divide by 5. So the answer is 6. This means that our mean is 6, and that's all. And this tells us that this is summary of mean of ungrouped data. So let's go to mean of group data. Now to mean of group data, and these are example. We have the class interval and the frequency. Alright, so we have to find the mean of this data. So the next thing, and you know that the formula to find the mean of group data is what? Mean equals to summation fx over summation f. Alright, the first thing we need to get our x. X is the midpoint. X. How do you get x? You are going to add these two together divided by the lower class interval and the upper class interval. You divide by 2. 0 plus 10 divided by 2 give us what? 5. 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2 give us 15. 20 plus 30, 50 divided by 2 give us what? 25. Now you need to get our what? Fx, which is what? The product of frequency and the midpoint. 2 times 5 gives us 10. 3 times 15, 45. 5 times 25 gives us what? 125. So when you add everything together, this is going to give us 180. When you add this together with the frequency, that's 2 plus 3, is going to give us what? 10. So applying our formula, we are going to have summation fx, which is 180. That's 180 divided by what? Summation f 10. So our mean is now going to be what? 18. So this is the mean of group data. The common mistake most people used to make for group data is that they forgot the midpoint. If you find this helpful, don't just watch and leave. Ensure you solve at least 3 questions for group and ungroup data from your textbook before your next exam. Also comment, share and subscribe for more JAMB, WAEC, Polytechnic and University Mark breakdown. See you in the next video.